So what relevance this has for business? Understand the context within which problems exist. Now, I understand that there's going to be a hackathon. The problem that you're going to be dealing with, right, you have to place it in the context within which you want to actually understand. Don't look at it in isolation. Now, just to give you an example of that, in 2019, just 20 polymer producers or plastic producers, let's call them, are accountable for more than 50% of all single-used plastic produced globally. Just imagine, so few people causing such a huge impact, right? And if you were to only obsess about, okay, why are these organizations, like producing plastic, there has to be laws, there should be legislations, why are they not being taxed, etc. But then when you try look on the other side, you find some of the biggest banks are financing them. Do you think that those big companies would have been able to produce that amount of plastic without, having financing behind them? You've got big banks that are actually bankrolling them to produce this plastic, right? Then you've got these banks who are actually doing lots of marketing campaigns that we recognize that our planet is in danger. We are building a sustainable, resilient, prosperous future. And they are actually being awarded in the industry because of this. So now whom are you going to blame? The media? You're going to blame banks? You're going to blame consumers? You're going to blame the plastic companies? Whom? And that is where this needs to be categorized as a wicked problem. No one-shot solution. You cannot say, okay, media regulation. You cannot say, okay, government now needs to tax companies. You cannot say banks don't target these companies. It's very difficult to do any of those things. And that's why it is so difficult to tackle. And just imagine, what is the consequence of that? In the next 5 years, right, single-use plastic from fossil fuels is going to increase by 30%. And you see, we are working towards net zero carbon emission, etc., etc. But this is the reality because these wicked problems have not been addressed. And so